Well, good morning, peeps. It is officially New Year's Day. It is 2021. I look a hot mess. We passed out last night. Like, we got wasted and we're done. So I didn't even make it to like 12 o'clock, but that's besides the point. So now it's time to actually start cooking for New Year's. So we gotta do that, but before we do that, we have got to clean up all our mess that we just like left. Like, it was so good last night. I told Babe we need to have more dinner nights, but yeah, we just left everything. You wonder why there's another place setting, because my brother-in-law actually came and ate with us by the time we were kind of done, so we just let him get a plate and he was good. So yeah, so right now I am on a mission to clean all this stuff up and get started and clean my kitchen and everything. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen and everything, and then I will be back to start on dinner. Okay. All right, so next up on the menu, I have my kitchen somewhat, cleaned up. I got a few things over here, but I got my crock pot and everything out, and I had to clean the pig feet first. So I'm just cleaning them with a little bit of salt and cold water, just to kind of like scrub them and kind of exfoliate them, I guess you say. Anyway, I know pig feet ain't for everybody, but y'all don't judge me because I went from elegant to ratchet real quick. But that's okay, because this is who I am. So we about to prepare these, and I will show y'all what I put in there, but make sure you wash your pig feet first. Like, bruh, do that. So I got my pot feet. Alright, so I have my pig feet in the crock pot. I have them on low. I'm gonna cook them for about 6 hours. I'm not gonna take the top off. I should have showed y'all before, but I low-key kind of forgot. But anyway, I did add a few crushed red peppers, as you can see, and a little more rosemary on top. And I did add a paprika. I don't think I showed that, but I add paprika just for a little bit of color. So yeah, we're gonna let this cook. And it's warming up. So now I'm about to go ahead and conquer these greens. I'm gonna try to find, let's find my tripod, so maybe y'all can see me do this a little bit. But honestly, I just watched a YouTube video. Am I that close? Like, dang, back up. But anyway, yeah, all I did was watch a YouTube video about how to actually clean greens, because for the most part, your girl, you see, I be eating the glory greens, and they be good too. Y'all be sleeping on the glory greens, but they be good. Hold on. Okay. But anyway, y'all be sleeping on the glory greens. So I got my table and stuff all cleared off, so I guess that's gonna be like my setup for right now. I mean, it's okay. It's different. It's different than the beige, but anyway. So right now, we have got to get these greens cut up and washed and stuff. And I think I'm just gonna use some scissors to do this. I don't want to be in the shot. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to cutting these greens up, and I think I'm just gonna use like some scissors instead of a knife to cut them off, because it is really just Jay and I. So but I know collards cook down, so that's why I bought 2 bushels. But so I'm just gonna start by, honestly, they gotta be washed and everything, so I'm just putting these on the counter. I'm just gonna cut them right on off, just like this. And I know some people probably gonna say, yeah, you're wasting a lot of the green or whatever. I just want the leaves part and stuff, and I just want them nice and flat right here in a little pile, so I can really cut them and then wash them really well. So I'm not concerned about wasting. Of course, I'm not trying to waste a lot, but just a bunch of cookies. And I wanted to tell y'all, I have my greens after I cut them up and everything, which you probably seen, which I know you seen. What am I talking about? Probably. But anyway, after you chop up all your greens and stuff, you want to put them in like a salt water bath. I'm talking about like really salty, and just like rub them around and just move them around a couple of times and kind of like just really get that salt in there. And then you're gonna let them sit here for like an hour, which is fine, because in an hour you could be making your stock, which I'm just using like a country ham hock that I'm gonna put in some water, and that'll be kind of like my stock, you know, my juice and stuff for my greens. So yeah, you want to make sure that you clean your greens properly, because you don't want any bugs or anything like that. And you don't want any greedy stuff in your greens when you're eating them. That's not cute. So yeah, so right now we're gonna make our stock and everything. And whenever you are trying to make a stock, I'm just going to use this ham hock and water and boil it for like an hour, and this will just give it lots and lots of flavor. Alright guys, so I took a little nap. So it is currently now 7:57, and if you remember, we put these in a crock pot at 11. I did end up turning them on high for like the last couple of hours. So there are the pig feet. They're nice and tender. Came out amazing. I am currently making some rice in my Instapot to go with that. Then over here we have our greens. They are good. I'm just rewarming these back up for dinner. And we have our black eyed peas. I just poured those out of a can. I wasn't even trying to like really do those for real. And then I just fried some pork chop for Babe because he doesn't eat pig feet. So that is all of my New Year's dinner. And yeah, once I plate this, I'll show y'all the final results.